Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix line. So to fix Wix lines on your Wix website, whether they are images, borders or dividers, follow these steps. First, you can fix your border or a line in Wix editor. Navigate to your Wix editor by navigating to your dashboard, clicking on select and edit site, navigating to Wix website editor, and here you'll have to locate the line or divider that you want to fix. Click on the line to select it and you will see a menu with customization options. Adjust the thickness, color and length of the line. So for example, I will click on this line and I will get the option to change design. I can choose a more thicker line if I want. I can also click on customize design and choose the line color. For example, I will turn from black to green. I can increase the line width or I can decrease it. I can also select the shape and type of this line. Also, if the line is misaligned, what you'll have to do is simply adjust it using the sliders provided. You can increase the length of this line or decrease it. You can place it anywhere you want just by left clicking, holding it down and adjusting it. Now you'll have to also ensure that your line is correctly placed across all views, that is desktop, tablet and mobile. So you can switch to mobile view from this button and check how the line appears on a smaller screen. Now, if line or border is not showing up or is broken, check if there is a bug or if the element is improperly hidden. Make sure that the line is not hidden under other elements. If so, adjust the Z index, that is layering or repositioning the content. Now, if your line color is not showing properly, go to the design tab and select color that contrasts with the background. Click on change design, choose customize design and make sure that the opacity is 100% and chosen a color that is perfectly visible on the background. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix or adjust any lines in your Wix website. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.